Ready to transform your Kvcore website from cookie cutter to captivating and convert more leads. First, log into your Kvcore platform and navigate to the Web IDX tab on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your central hub for all website-related functions. Now, find the Website Manager section here. Click the Edit Settings button for the website you wish to customize. This will take you directly to the Site Editor interface. Welcome to the Site Editor. On the left, you'll see a menu with options like Theme, where you can change the overall look and feel of your site. Then, you can choose Pages, where you can edit existing pages or add new ones. Editing is simple. Click on the element you want to change, and you'll see options to modify text, images, and layout. You can drag and drop widgets to add features like testimonials, property showcases, or contact forms. To add a widget, select one from the list and drag it to your desired location on the page. Then, click on the widget to access its settings and customize it to fit your brand and content. Before you publish, preview your changes by clicking the Preview button at the top right. This opens your website in a new tab, allowing you to see how it looks to visitors. Once you're happy with your modifications, be sure to click the Save button to apply your changes to your live website. That's it. With a little effort in the Site Editor, you can create a Kvcore website that attracts clients and helps you grow your real estate business.